Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Cooking with Peace. So now we are going to make Lucknowi Biryani or Awadhi Biryani. So let's start the recipe. Here I have taken 800 grams of chicken. In this I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now add half tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt or any other salt you can use. Now we are going to marinate everything. Here I have taken 1 cup of yogurt, a thick yogurt. Approximately it will be 250 grams. So add to it. And then we are going to add one special ingredient, that is rose water. This is the natural one, or you can use kevra water if you wish. I am not going to add. I am going to add just 1 teaspoon of rose water in this. And now I'm going to take 5 garlic pods, add 1/4 cup of water and grind. It should be a garlic water or garlic watery paste. So grind it well and add to it this mixture. See, as you can see, it's like a watery paste. So add everything all together. And now mix and marinate and keep it for half an hour. In a large vessel, add 1 cup of oil, and now we are going to add some spices. That will be few cloves. As you can see, 5 cardamoms, 1 small nutmeg, 1 small mace, and 3 cinnamon sticks, and half teaspoon of peppercorns, and few like 2 to 3 bay leaves. Add to the hot oil, let it splutter, and then add 2 tablespoons of ghee, that is clarified butter. Let it melt. And now we are going to add 2 large onions, thinly sliced, and fry the onions until it's golden brown in color. And here I have taken hot water, 1/4 cup, and in this I am going to add saffron threads, like approximately half teaspoon of saffron threads. Soak it in a hot water. It should be a hot water, and keep aside and close it. And here I have taken 800 grams of basmati rice. Meanwhile, I am checking the onions also. Here I have kept 3 liters of water to get boiled. In this I am going to add bay leaf, 3 cardamoms, 2 cinnamon sticks, few peppercorns, it will be 10 numbers, and 2 green chilies. And now I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of pink Himalayan rock salt. Close the lid and let it come to a boil. Here the onions getting dark in color, so I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste. It is not a ginger garlic paste, it is ginger paste, because we have already added the garlic paste in the marination. So let it fry for 2 minutes. And now I'm going to add the marinated chicken, which we have already marinated before half an hour. So add it and fry it for 5 minutes. Fry the chicken well until its color changes. And now I have soaked the basmati rice also as well. See, the chicken is boiling. Close the lid and let it cook. And now I have added 1 cup of water and half teaspoon of salt. Always check the salt. Here also I am adding half teaspoon of oil or ghee. Now add 3 slices of lemon and quarter lemon juice. Again close the lid and let it come to boil. Now the chicken is half done, and now I am going to add 1 cup of milk. It should be a full cream milk. 1 cup. Mix it well. As you can see, and again add 1 teaspoon of salt. Please check the salt as per your taste and close the lid and let it come to a boil. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of each cardamom powder and mace powder, and you can also open the cardamom like this, or you can make a fine powder out of it. Add to it and mix it well. And now we are going to take the chicken pieces out and just keep it in a separate plate. I will tell you why we are taking the chicken pieces now. Because we are going to strain all the spices, onions, everything. That's why we have taken the chicken pieces separately and kept it aside. See, I have taken all the chicken pieces. The gravy is ready to strain. Before that, I am going to take oil from the top. Approximately 1/4 cup of oil. As you can see, just take it with any spoon, exactly like this. And we are going to add later while doing the dum. Now we are going to strain the gravy, that is masala gravy. Keep any vessel under the strainer and strain the masala like this. Now strain the masala, all the onions, spices, bay leaves, everything we are going to strain it well. It should be exactly like a watery gravy. See, as you can see. See, it's over, and now you can see the gravy. It should be like a watery and thin paste. See, we have discarded the onions, spices, bay leaves, everything, and keep aside, and please discard that. And also we are going to discard the green chilies, lemons, all the spices. If you find any, you can able to remove it later. Now add the rice to the hot water and also cook the rice to 75% only. The other 25% we are going to cook in the dum. See, please discard the cardamoms, everything, because this biryani is a clean biryani. You cannot see any spices, tomatoes, or any other herbs like coriander and mint leaves. See, the rice is cooked well to 75%. Now we are going to add the gravy first, and now the dum process is going to start. Firstly, I have added the gravy and the chicken pieces which we have already kept aside. And put it nicely like this. And now we are going to add the rice. This rice is very aromatic because we have infused all the spices, ingredients. And now we are going to add the saffron water which we have soaked before making the biryani. So add to it like this, and add the oil also which we have already kept, and add the special ingredient, that is rose water or kevra water. I'm not going to add the kevra water, I'm just using the rose water. You can use any other. See, I have kept it for dum. Close the lid and just Seal the hole with one clove and put it dum for 15 minutes in a sim mode. And then after the 15 minutes, please switch off the stove and leave it for another 15 minutes. And now, as you can see, the flavor is so aromatic. I cannot believe it's so flavorful. It's a very clean biryani. The kids are loving this biryani a lot. So please do try it and make it at home and make your loved ones love you more. So please do try it and let me know in the comment section. See, the rice is fluffy and chicken is perfectly cooked. The masala is perfect, it's juicy. As you can see, the moisture of the biryani. It was very yummy. See, each grain is like, I can able to smell the aroma. It's so flavorful. See, and now I'm going to plate. If you cannot see any other herbs, tomatoes like this, it's a very clean biryani and kids will love this biryani. So please do make it. Do like, share, comment, follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.